Are you ready to unlock the secrets of top-ranking websites? Dive into the world of keyword targeting and watch your site climb the search rankings. Let's break down the art of keyword targeting into bite-sized, actionable tips. First off, understanding your audience is key. What are they searching for? What language do they use? Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you get into your audience's headspace. Next up, relevance is your best friend. Match your keywords to your content like you'd pair a fine wine with a gourmet meal. This alignment not only pleases your audience, but also Google's algorithms. Now, don't just sprinkle keywords randomly. Think strategically. Place them in your titles, headers, and throughout your content. But remember, quality over quantity. Too many and you risk sounding like a robot. Authority Solutions can help streamline this process. Their expertise in SEO services ensures your keywords aren't just guesses. They're data-driven decisions that elevate your site's visibility. So, start applying these tips and watch your website traffic grow. Like what you heard? Hit that like button, subscribe for more insider SEO tips, and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.